So let's begin with online application form for this Schengen C visa to travel to Belgium. But again, it's not going to be fully online. You can fill the application here, but you need to submit it, a copy of it physically. Fine. So if you come here for the very first time and you have not registered yet, click on not registered yet. First name, last name, email, confirm, and register. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. So guys, what happens is after you put your email address and the other details that you saw in the previous scheme, the system does send an email to you where you have to go and click on the link, and basically it's kind of a verification link about your email, and then and at that link you can set your password, and then once you log in, this is the first page that appears. Okay, so step one is like again it's a basic in steps is to print your application form, of course, after you submit, book an appointment, then go there and submit application. Okay, all right, so let's start with new application. Visa type, select short stay, please read. Okay, so I'm just passing it like this, but you please read everything and understand. Then we have read, and then captcha, organisms with life. Okay, so now the application begins. Wow. Language for notification of decision. Do I have English here? Unimportant French, Dutch, German also. Location of lodging your application. I'll select, sorry, in India. Location, yes, which location you're gonna submit. Let's say you can submit in New Delhi. Save. Okay. All right. So let's start proceeding. Family member of EU, EA, or Switzerland citizen, UK national. So I am not doing it because I assume no. Surname. Remember, we have to put it in capital. So I'm putting some, do it as per your own case. Surname and birth. Generally, if different, but it's not a matter. Birth, date of birth. Place of birth. Look your passport. It should match. All these details that you enter in this form are very important. So it must match with your documents. Your passport. Current nationality. Select India. Nationality, birth, gender, marital status, single, national identity number. So it's not mandatory, so I'm skipping it. But when I had applied for my first visa, I had used my PAN card. That was more than a decade and a half. So like you can use Aadhaar and other. Again, it depends on your nationality, location, of course. Travel document. See, now we are in the travel document section. Ordinary passport, most of us will have. Document number. Again, I'm putting sample. Date of issue. Valid until issued by, you will find it in your passport. I'm just putting sample. Issuing country. Home address. Country. Phone number, so we have to start with this plus. India is like +91. Then put the number. I'm putting sample, you don't do like this. Email, whatever is your email, you do it. I'm just doing like this, but don't do like this. See, we are in this, you see it's moving. Next is current occupation. What are the options I have? Wow, I don't have anything like computer, no. Software, no. And okay, test. Technician, okay. Employer, of course, you know your employer name. I'm sorry, they had given instruction about capitals. I don't want to break that. Of course, you know their address. There's email, of course, you have your employer's email, phone number, because these are not mandatory fields, so I'm skipping it. But don't do that in your actual application, because how would they identify and how would they contact your employer? Visa type, important. I select short stay. Main purpose, I select leisure. Purpose, tourist travel. Okay. Additional information, anything that you want to provide them. You can say the purpose, why you planned, etc. Member state of destination, I said Belgium. First entry, select Belgium. Whatever is applicable in your case. Number of entries, I select 1. First intended date, remember about validity and all of passport that we had discussed. Let's say we're planning to go in August 1st. Departure, first 8. Means of transport, airplane. Reference. Okay, now we have got to the reference section. host and type where you're gonna stay. I select hotel, put the hotel details. So I select hotel A. Of course, you have this information. Postal code, city, country, of course your phone, email to inviting organization. It's not mandatory because nobody is inviting you. All right. Financing of stay. So let's say you yourself are doing it. So populated stay financed by group. Are you traveling in group? I select no. Okay. So once you are through everything, you can submit the application. Okay. And as we had discussed before, that it will send an email, automated email to you that you need to print, and then other steps like booking an appointment with a service provider, which is VFS for Indian applicants. There you can go and submit the application, and if granted, you are good to go. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.